Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Chris Capp, your local real estate expert in Oviedo and Winter Springs, here to help you make smart choices in the world of real estate. If you're looking to get the most out of your property, whether you're selling soon or just want to increase its value for an appraisal to remove your PMI, today's video is for you. We're diving into some home renovations and upgrades that really pay off. Let's start with the basics. Not every upgrade has to be a huge expense. Small, affordable changes can make a big impact. For example, updating lighting fixtures, swapping out hardware on cabinets, and giving your walls a fresh coat of paint are all simple ways to instantly modernize space without breaking the bank. Tip number 1, fresh paint. Neutral colors are your best friend here. Light, airy colors make spaces feel larger and more inviting, and they appeal to a wide range of buyers. And a gallon of paint costs around $30 or $40, and it could add thousands in perceived value. Now let's talk about the big hitters, the kitchen and the bathrooms. These are the two areas where smart upgrades can really boost your home's value. If you're planning to sell in the near future, focus on updates that will appeal to the majority. Tip number 2, kitchen refresh. Think about upgrading your countertops, perhaps to granite or quartz, which are durable and very attractive options. Stainless steel and appliances and modern cabinetry are also very great investments. Now you don't have to do a full remodel. Sometimes just updating the backsplash behind the counters or adding new fixtures and pendant lights can make a world of a difference. Tip number 3, bathroom improvements. Bathrooms too are worth investing in. Simple upgrades like new vanities, modern lighting, or even installing a glass shower door instead of a shower curtain can give an older bathroom a spa-like feel, and buyers love that. Check Facebook Marketplace or Home Depot Lowe's for clearance vanities. Just a few $100s and a couple hours of work can totally freshen up your bathroom look. Now, I can't stress enough how much first impressions count. Your home's exterior is the first thing that people see, so curb appeal is essential. So tip 4, landscaping and exterior updates. Start with the basic landscaping. Add some flowers, trimming bushes, add some landscape lighting, maybe put some fresh mulch. It goes a long way. And consider a fresh paint job for your front door or even a new mailbox. Studies show that homes with good curb appeal can sell for up to 10% more than similar homes without it. Energy efficiency is also a big plus these days. Many buyers are looking for homes with lower energy bills, so investing in things like new windows, a smart thermostat, or better insulation could add real value to your property. So that's our tip 5. Smart thermostats, energy-saving windows, and insulation. A smart thermostat, that device that controls the temperature in your house, it can be installed for under $200, and it not only saves on energy bills, but appeals to tech-savvy buyers. Energy-efficient windows may have a higher upfront cost, but they will make your home more comfortable and attractive to environmentally conscious buyers. Not only does this reduce the amount of heat transfer, physics time, that occurs, but also reduces the amount of noise that you hear from the outside. It blocks those electromagnetic waves and the sound waves. If your home is in Florida and over 15 years old, chances are your insulation levels are low up in your attic. So consider hiring a contractor for a few $100s to blow in some R60 cellulose to decrease how quickly your home gets hotter or loses heat depending on the season. You could even save money by renting the blower machine and blow it in for yourself. So those are some of the top home renovations and upgrades to consider if you're looking to add value. Remember, every home is different, so it's important to focus on the upgrades that make most sense for your property and for your budget. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on real estate, home value, and everything that you need to make smart choices with your home. And as always, if you have any questions or need personalized service, call Chris Capp. See ya.